Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You will not be taught to spoof. Instead, you'll fix legitimate GPS drift safely. First, make sure you intend to play within the game's rules. Don't spoof. Then enable high accuracy location on Android or precise location on iOS. Once done, update Pokémon GO and your device location services and confirm app location permission is set to while using. These steps reduce false drift and protect your account, so you start from a stable, rule-compliant baseline. Now you'll refine accuracy. First, calibrate the compass with a figure-8 motion until heading settles. This helps when nearby GPS jumps occur. Make sure you're in an open area, away from tall buildings or metal that reflect signals. Use Wi-Fi assisted location to supplement satellites, connect to a trusted hotspot. Once done, briefly toggle airplane mode to force a fresh network and GPS lock. Make sure the phone shows steady satellite or location lock. Finish by restarting the device and the Pokémon GO app, then test accuracy by walking a short, straight route outdoors. Watch the in-game avatar respond smoothly. If urban canyon drift remains, consider an external, legal Bluetooth GPS receiver for improved satellite reception. Make sure to clear the app cache if positions look stale, and verify location permissions are not restricted. If problems continue, contact Niantic support rather than trying to alter location data. That protects your.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.